Today we are looking at the 50mm version of the Garmin Instinct 3. This is a rugged, heavy-duty smartwatch built for outdoor adventures, sports, and tactical use. Let's see what features it has and how it actually feels to wear on a daily basis. The first thing you notice is its massive size. At 50mm, it sits boldly on the wrist and features a strong polymer case that easily handles shocks, water, and rough treatment. The monochrome display is extremely clear and stays readable even under bright direct sunlight. Inside, it has a dual-frequency GPS system that connects quickly and tracks your position accurately in dense forests or high mountains. It continuously checks your heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep patterns. One of its major highlights is the remarkable battery life. Thanks to its larger internal power cell, you can use it for weeks in standard smartwatch mode without plugging it in. In terms of daily comfort, the soft silicone strap ensures a secure fit. However, because of its bulky profile and thickness, the watch can sometimes catch on tight jacket sleeves or backpack straps, and it might feel too heavy for sleeping. Overall, it is a tough, durable, and highly dependable tracking device for anyone who needs solid equipment for extreme outdoor trips.